Here is a 52-inch antique brass Casablanca, New Orleans ceiling fan. And as for viewers of my YouTube channel, you guys do not know, you guys probably figured this out. This is not my fan space. It's his fan space. And
Hi.
move your camera. Because there's all these fans, and you guys probably have seen my video of that. So this fan is from 1987. It is 3 speeds. This light kit did not come with it. The light kit that came with it is a stupid Harbor Breeze one, which is very stupid. And
Like it came from the Zephyr.
Yep, from this broken Zephyr. So let's go ahead and start her up with the light.
There's a switch. It's bright.
Well, because we are literally using everything as incandescents.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll start on low. And of course, we all know Casablanca. They have a Slumber 3 system. The bearings in this fan are actually really good. You know, I've seen it so many times where these Casablancas have a hard time starting.
And actually, Casablanca, New Orleans have 4 bearings. 2 in the mortar and 2 in the shafts.
Thank Tom Frampton for this one. No sarcasm, because it's true. Thank Tom Frampton for this fan. Because, yeah. This fan runs really good. I still have some dust to clean. There's the top. I've always wanted to see what the top of a flywheel looks like. I mean, actually, wait. That's obviously a lie, because I've seen the top of a flywheel. Because when I had to fix my Casablanca Stealth. And here is medium.
This is the inside of a flywheel, if you wanted to see.
Or at least I wanted to see the top.
That's the inside.
So, or this is at least a Casablanca metal flywheel. It's not the rubber one.
It is a rubber one.
Or at least, I don't know why. I don't know why rubber has to be used for a flywheel. I've never understood that.
It's quieter.
Yeah, this fan has a little bit of a noise, but that's normal with these types of fans. And we need to hurry this up because we're using so much wattage. And here's high. This fan moves a lot of air. It does have a bit of a wobble issue, but that's, I've kind of found that a bit common with these New Orleans fans. That's just me, though. That's just a thing I've seen with them. Alright, so let's do spin down. And I'll go ahead and turn it off. Turn the light off. Just so you're not using a bunch of wattage so I don't burn the sockets.
I actually got 2 of these.
Once again, Andrew's luck strikes again. I'm not talking about Andrew Luck from the Indianapolis Colts. Not him. This guy. His luck.
Spin down time is short.
It's about as fast as my SMC KC52. I don't know if you've seen the spin down on that thing. So, do you want to do reverse or no?
Let's just end it.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this video of this Casablanca, New Orleans ceiling fan. Thank you very much for watching.